At this moment, he hasn't given specific reasons. The detailed judgment will be coming in about 21 days. But what political pundits have been speaking about in the analysis of the case in the past few weeks is that the cases brought forward by the petitioners weren't very clearly spelled out, as opposed to what happened during the August election. There was a very clear line of reasoning and a very clear argument that was made. The consensus by many political analysts and constitutional and legal analysts is that that did not come out as clearly as possible, and thus the unanimity in the decision. I think that's the one thing that we can read from at this moment is that.
And I suppose we're also waiting to hear from the opposition leader, Raila Odinga. How do you think his supporters are going to take this?
Well, Raila Odinga's supporters, I don't think, put much stock in this petition, given that he wasn't involved, or rather his political party, his political movement was not involved in this petition as much as it was in the last one. But there is more than likely going to be a negative reaction to this upholding of this result, given that the one thing that they've been saying all along is that Uhuru Kenyatta was not validly elected in the August election, and that the electoral process is so mired by inaccuracies, inconsistencies, and an alleged impunity, political impunity, that it couldn't have credibly held an election. That's been Raila Odinga's line, of course, supported in some ways by statements from the electoral body's chairman, as well as one of the commissioners who led. So this may be some resolution in terms of the legal questions that Kenya has been facing, but certainly we're not out of the woods in terms of the political question, which has bearings on what the security situation could look like in the coming days here in Kenya.